Buttercups, Reese's, don't be ridiculous. Just say your piece and peace up like Ibiza.
Ooh. Let's take a second to admire my shirt. You know I'm a big old Pac fan, but that's besides the point. What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy Lil Eagle Got Fans, and I'm back with another vid, sneaker related. I told y'all I'm about to start bringing content that's all about fashion, sneakers, things like that. So today I will be going over a quick list, which is my top 3 Jordans of all time based off the numbers or the model, I guess. So without further ado, let's just get into the first shoe. And I actually have a pair of each shoe. And also, if you hear my game in the back, just ignore that. It's notifications, by the way. So the first shoe on the list is the Jordan 3 model. This particular pair is the Jordan 3 True Blue, or the Jordan Retro 3s True Blue, however you want to say it. But this shoe, no one in particular just made me want to get this shoe, but ever since I was younger, I just love the way the shoe looked. I love the way they had the Jumpman and or the Nike on the back. And all around, the shoe is just a comfortable shoe. I mean, I could never go wrong with it. It was always comfortable to my feet. To me personally, it was always comfortable to run in, just play basketball, even though I'm not a hooper, to just shoot around in. And I mean, as you can see, I freak lace all of my shoes, so it's fairly loose, so I have enough room to pretty much do whatever. So this is a comfortable shoe. I would recommend it to anyone out there that's looking for their first Jordan. This is the Jordan 3 True Blue. And I love every colorway. So let me sit that aside. That's the first shoe. The second shoe is not the 3s. Nope. Not the 4s. Not the 6s, not the 7s. But we're gonna go back down to the 5s. The Jordan 5s is a must-have for me in my collection. And the reason why I love this shoe so much is because of Will Smith. If you've ever seen the show Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, then you know that he kept a pair of Jordans, Nikes, just like a clean pair of Nikes, but mainly 5s. I know I seen him with the fire red 5s. This shoe, the metallic 5s, the grape 5s, and probably some others. But this is a clean shoe. I love this little cage area. I'm not sure the actual name for it, but I love this. The tongue is like super comfortable. And I like how the 3M, once you shine light on this part, it will reflect. It's like a 3M look. The bottom has Nike on the bottom. My shoes are pretty beat, so the sole is yellowing. I actually had a pair before this, but somebody stole them, so shout out to y'all, I guess. My Jumpman is still intact, and this is a pretty clean shoe. This, along with the 3s, I will say 3s, 5s, I think 4s and 1s, you can crease them. As you can see, I creased these pretty bad, but you can crease these shoes and it'll still look good. And I mean, who can go wrong with an all black shoe, right? So Jordan 5s, I'm sorry. Jordan 5 metallics. Throw that back there. And lastly, the last shoe I have on the list is the Jordan 12s. This shoe right here. What made me like this shoe is not only did I like the show Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, but I also used to watch the show Martin. And I remember an episode where Martin Lawrence had on the Taxi 12s and he took them off. I think it was like wintertime or something in the episode. And I remember him taking them off and gifting them to a child. The child didn't have on any shoes, so he was in nothing but his socks, I think. So Martin gave his brand new shoes that he had got to the dude as like a Christmas present, or to the young man as a Christmas present. So that was pretty dope, and I was like, dang, I want to do something like that. I would love to, you know, give back and do something good like that. Because just think, if you have a huge collection, why not give back? I mean, it's selfish to not give back, in my opinion. But this shoe in particular, I think they got this colorway from the Wizards when Michael Jordan played for the Wizards. As you can see, it's got a hint of red at the bottom, white and blue. I mean, it's a simple and clean shoe. And also to my bro Boom, that I know is gonna watch this, let me know if you still have your pair, because I know we did get these at the same time. And I'm waiting on the Cherry 12s to drop. I recently did a trade with my Taxi 12s to my bro. You know who you are. But I love the Cherry 12s, the Taxi 12s, the French Blues, just all of the 12s, all of the 5s, all of the 3s. I love all of the colorways, honestly. And even with the 5s, I love the girl colorways, the Great 5s, the Raging Bull 5s, you name it. All of these shoes, for me, they're pretty comfortable. And like I said, even with these, along with my 3s and my 5s, I also freak lace these, which means they're not factory lace like they came when I first bought them. I kind of loosen them up so that no matter what, I'll have room to like walk in them, run, whatever I want to do. It's just comfortable and it's not hurt my feet. And like I said, that colorway is a clean, simple colorway. It's not doing too much. I hate a shoe that has too many colors. I mean, that's just ghetto to me, or it just does too much, and it's not my favorite, me personally. But let me know if you're into sneakers at all. What's your favorite Jordans? If you want to start a collection, let me know. I wonder what all you guys have in your collection. Because me, I mean, my collection isn't that small, but it's fairly huge, I guess. I guess you could say it's growing. But not only do I like Jordans, I'm also a fan of the Adidas, like Yeezys, Nikes. I actually seen a new pair of Pumas that I like. It was like a running shoe. I'm not sure the name of it. I think NBA YoungBoy had a pair. But yeah, that is a clean shoe. So if you like this video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will be creating more content, more videos coming soon. And once again, it's your boy Lil Eagle Got Fans, and I'm out. What is good, my YouTube family and friends? I know what y'all thinking. Lil Eagle Got Fans, you've been off the radar and you haven't posted any content within 2 to 3 months and blah blah blah, but I'm back